Managing and maintaining your AV devices shouldn't be difficult or cost you a fortune. Make your job easier and more cost-effective with the ViewSonic ViewBoard VBS200-A Smart AV Controller. Just connect the VBS200-A to your RS-232C compatible displays from any brand and sign up for our ViewSonic Manager software. Once set up, you'll have access to a centralized dashboard that lets you efficiently manage all your projectors, commercial displays, and interactive flat panels, all in one place. You can also upgrade from ViewSonic Manager to Manager Advanced software, which will provide premium features such as broadcasting urgent alerts and more. When used with the ViewSonic Display and ViewBoard Cast apps, the VBS200-A allows you to wirelessly share your screen and collaborate in real time with other users. What's more, VBS200-A also doubles as a powerful PC to which you can connect peripherals and compatible displays, allowing you to use your monitor, digital display, or projector as a standalone digital podium device. Just connect it to your desired display and start mirroring content to a larger screen. And with power over Ethernet, the VBS200-A controller offers seamless power delivery without the need for power cords or adapters. So if you're looking for a smart and powerful controller that can handle all your AV needs, the ViewBoard VBS200-A Smart AV Controller is the way to go.